I'm here at the beach gonna do a little treasure hunting, a little metal detecting. As you can see, it's kind of a cloudy, dreary day. It's a little windy. That's not what bothers me. That thing coming right there is what bothers me. We have been getting so many thunderstorms. Just coming through the Myrtle Beach area, it has been crazy. There have been tropical storms and storm building off the beaches, offshore. So we're metal detecting. And I'm inviting you guys along because when I can't go scuba diving, this is what I like to do. I really like to go scuba diving. I really want to go scuba diving. But you know, it is what it is. So let's do a little metal detecting and see what we can get into. Well, it's a little loud, but you're not gonna believe I have found another nail. Found one of these last time I was metal detecting. Pretty interesting. Also found me a little hair bow laying over here, if anybody needs one. Alright, so a lot of digging you can see here, but I did find a big lead weight. So I found a very, very old earring. And of course, another tent peg. So here we have some weird piece of metal. Not exactly sure what that is or what it's to. It's like a pin or a dial, maybe. It's real heavy. If you know, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think that may be. Well, it took me a minute, but I finally found it. It's an old bottle cap or a pull tab for a can. So let's take a look at our finds. Nothing that's gonna make me a millionaire, but at least we cleaned up the beach. I do have a bag full of trash. I did find a trash bag, which is gonna help out a lot. But we have our metal pieces here. Still not 100% sure what that is. And the tent peg, and I do not have the big nail that I found at the beginning of the video. I left it by the trash can so that they can get rid of that. And I gave the fishing weight sinker that I found to a local fisherman out on the beach. Little piece of metal cap to a can. This is a decent earring, but I don't think it's worth anything. Looks brass or bronze maybe. Not much to it. A lot of bottle tops. Anybody need a hair bow? It's really, really rusty. And this little plastic thing, I thought it was a wedding ring at first, but I think it comes off of a tent or something like that. But that's our finds for today. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up from here in the Myrtle Beach area. Doing a little bit of treasure hunting on one of those misty, foggy, like it's midday and it's still cloudy. And normally this parking lot would be completely packed with people looking for places to park. Not today. Just the weather's running everybody off. But it does bring out treasure, which is pretty cool. So anyway, thank you guys. I appreciate you joining me here at Freedom Wanderer. And I'll see you in the next adventure. Why? Because life's an adventure, friend. You got to get off the couch and go live it. So I'll see you in the next one. You may be asking yourself, what is Freedom Wanderer? The answer is not found in the what, but rather in the who. Who is Freedom Wanderer? Howdy, I am Chuck McDonald, businessman and adventurer. I have learned to be rooted in Christ and free in the Spirit. Not all who wander are lost. I live to pursue freedom and travel adventures. Thanks for joining me as I spread my wings and ride the wind. Welcome to Freedom Wanderer.
Bye.